Man, I'm bored.
I know, I hate rainy days.
We can play video games.
No.
You want to watch porno?
Asian or she-male?
Asian?
No.
We can cuddle.
What the fuck, no?
Fine.
Guess what I found? Guess what I found?
What?
Cocaine! Awesome! I don't know, guys. I don't think I'm feeling it.
What the fuck are you gonna do with that, huh?
Where's my coke, huh? Where's the Sancho?
Whoa. This shit was pretty crazy, guys.
At least the rain's over.
Yeah.
Bro, that rainy day was... That shit was 3 days ago.
The fuck, we've been high for 3 days?
Fuck.
Holy
Yeah.
shit.
I don't remember anything. It's fucking crazy. I'm sore.
You want to cuddle?
No, I said no.
I'll cuddle.
Oh.
Yeah, bring it in. Bring it in. Bring it in.
Opposite 69.